The Tesla Model S has encountered seatbelt issues that can affect safety and driving comfort. These include false warning chimes, pretensioner malfunctions, and latch detection errors. False warning chimes occur when the system incorrectly detects an unbuckled belt, often from sensor glitches or software bugs. Pretensioners are pyrotechnic devices that tighten belts during impacts. Malfunctions stem from manufacturing issues or wear, preventing proper activation. Latch sensors use Hall effect technology to confirm buckling. Errors arise from interference or wear, causing detection failures. Tesla has addressed these through recalls, over-the-air software updates, and proactive diagnostics to ensure safety and reliability. Tesla has significantly reduced seatbelt issues through recalls, software updates, and proactive monitoring. In 2023, Tesla began issuing recalls to address pretensioner failures and other seatbelt problems. By 2024, recalls expanded to include latch sensor recalibrations for better detection. In 2025, a global over-the-air software update version 2025.12.5 was released, reducing false chimes by refining sensor algorithms. By 2026, most owners report resolution through Tesla service centers or the app. The Tesla Model S seatbelt system consists of three key components that work together for safety. The Pretensioner is a safety device that rapidly tightens the seatbelt during a crash to reduce slack and minimize injury. It works using a small explosive charge that activates the mechanism. The latch sensor detects whether the seatbelt is properly buckled. It uses Hall effect sensors that send signals to the vehicle's computer to determine the belt's status. The warning chime provides an audible alert when the seatbelt is not buckled. It's part of the vehicle's infotainment system and can be customized through software. Issues with these components can stem from manufacturing defects, software bugs, or physical wear over time. Here's a general schematic of a seatbelt system showing how these components interconnect. If you experience a false warning chime, first ensure the seatbelt is securely fastened. Pull the belt across your body and insert the latch plate into the buckle until you hear a click. Next, check for software updates via your car's touchscreen. Navigate to the software menu and install any available updates, as these often fix chime calibration issues. If the problem persists, contact Tesla service for a sensor recalibration or possible hardware replacement. They can diagnose and fix underlying issues. Keeping your software updated is crucial for resolving chime problems and ensuring optimal seatbelt system performance. Pretensioner problems in the Tesla Model S often stem from manufacturing defects, corrosion, or age-related wear. These devices are crucial for tightening seatbelts during a crash to reduce injury risk. When issues arise, a visit to a Tesla service center is typically required for inspection and replacement of faulty pretensioners. If your Model S is part of a recall, Tesla will replace the pretensioner free of charge, as they've done for many vehicles since 2018. Regular inspections are recommended to catch potential problems early, especially in older models with higher mileage. Failure of the pretensioner can result in non-deployment during a collision, increasing the risk of injury as the seatbelt may not tighten properly. Latch sensor issues occur when the system fails to detect that the seatbelt is properly buckled. This can lead to persistent warning chimes or safety system malfunctions. Start by cleaning the latch mechanism. Use a soft cloth or compressed air to remove any accumulated debris, dust, or moisture that could interfere with the sensor's operation. If cleaning the latch doesn't fix the problem, the sensor may need recalibration or replacement. Tesla service technicians can diagnose and perform these procedures using specialized equipment. In high-mileage Tesla Model S vehicles, wear and tear may necessitate a full seatbelt assembly replacement to restore proper sensor function and overall safety. You can perform basic checks to ensure no obstructions interfere with the seatbelt latch. This simple inspection can prevent false warnings and mechanical issues. Avoid exposing the seatbelt components to moisture, as it can cause corrosion and lead to pretensioner or sensor failures. Keep the area dry and clean. Schedule annual checks with Tesla service to maintain your seatbelt system in optimal condition. Professional inspection can catch issues before they become problems. Use the Tesla app diagnostics feature to monitor your vehicle's systems and flag potential seatbelt issues early. This proactive tool helps maintain safety. Tesla is moving towards software-driven fixes and AI-enhanced sensors. Over-the-air updates now handle most seatbelt problems, reducing the need for physical repairs. Future Model S iterations may use more durable materials for pretensioners. Aerospace composites and advanced polymers will resist corrosion and extend component life. Expect real-time crash data reporting and potentially biometric sensors for adaptive safety. Regulations require instant data sharing for better accident analysis. Predictive maintenance AI should also reduce hardware recalls in the future. These innovations will make Tesla vehicles safer and more reliable. These advancements represent Tesla's commitment to continuous improvement in vehicle safety and reliability.